Welcome back everyone. We continue with painting our beautiful potion steer. I did go around with my pencil just to make the outlines a little bit more clear, because I think it will be easier for you as well to see what I'm doing. Most importantly for myself to know what the hell am I doing. So because the scene is quite dark, I'm not going to worry about these pencil lines too much. We can always erase a little bit later, but I think it sort of adds some character, so don't stress too much about it. Right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to just do a color swatch sort of thing as we progress in this painting, because I don't want to spend a whole session on color mixes that you might only need later. So the color swatch video I'm going to be creating while I'm creating this background, and every time I make a mixture I'm just going to sort of make a swatch and remind myself how I made it in order to help you make it as well. Okay, so let's get this flame of hope and creativity going. And there we have it. Right, okay, so I'm thinking I'm going to start in the back of this painting, and let's fill in all of the background darkness already. It's going to bring everything forward and ground us. So let's begin by filling in and literally treat this like almost like a coloring book. That's sort of always my strategy when I start with a watercolor painting, because if I treat it like a coloring book, then it's less intimidating for me and a little bit more exciting. Are you ready for a transformation or creative life? Then join the Creative Wizard. So check out the links in the description of this video and join my Patreon community today. I'm gonna do wet on dry. So I've made enough of my mixture here to begin dropping in color immediately, and we can always add more paint to it, but don't be scared to be intense here, okay? Don't be scared. I did actually pull a cover over that other sheet of paper there so that I can protect it. Like here is a very good example of what I'm talking about. Just this little shape here behind this potion bottle is really helping to talk about the shape of this glass. It's a smaller section, so very mindful, very demure. If you want to see the rest of this video, then join my Patreon community today, because all of the full tutorial information, behind the scenes content, magical moments, one-on-one chats, and deeper insights into the oracle of the spirit animal guide is all available on my Patreon. So use the link in the description of this video and join me today, because there's a lot of magical things happening right now. Awesome. I think that is going to be a very good start for our painting, and I'm gonna stop there, allow that to dry. Gonna have some breakfast, and when we come back we're gonna finish the frame as well so that the background is completely done before we start to move forward. So I'll see you guys in the next session. Bye bye for now.